In my YouTube channel, Online Tutor Learning Made Easy. In my previous video, I have shown you how to install Laravel, and with the help of that installation video, today I am going to create a single page application with Laravel and Vue.js. First of all, I am going to create a controller file so that we can define a single route for our Vue.js application. So let's create our controller file that will handle all the requests. I am going to create controller file with the help of this command. And here is the name of the controller. As you can see, controller has been created. Now I will move into the HTTP controller. Here's my controller, and here I will create an index function. Inside this function, I will render my main.blade.php file. Sorry, this is the only we will add here only the name of the file, and we are going to save. And friends, here you can see my main.blade.php file. The content of this file will be same for every single page application. And here we have defined a ID, that is app, and we will use this ID in our Vue component. And I am going to create a route for this main controller file. This is my route for main controller file, and this is the default route that I am going to disable. And these are all settings that we have to create in the Laravel part. Now we will create a main Vue component, and to this main Vue component will be used to render all the other component content. Here is my main Vue component, that is App.vue. You can see here this is the content of the App.vue, that is the main Vue component. Now I am going to create a home component, and I will save this existing example component as a home component. I will change this title here. Now I am going to install node modules because Vue uses node modules, and for installing node modules we have to install npm first. In my machine npm is already installed globally, so I will install node modules locally in my Laravel application. With the help of this command, I'm installing this node module. As you can see, installation is in progress. Friends, it will take some time. Alright, node modules have been installed here. You can see a node module folder has been created here. These are the inbuilt components that we will use further in our application. These are all the libraries of the Node.js. Now friends, I'm going to change the content of this app.js file. As you can see here, I have imported this vue-router that is a part of the node module, and here I have also imported App.vue, that is the main view component, and I'm going to change this to home. And here I have added this main view component, that is app.vue. As soon as we call this app.js file, then app.vue component gets automatically called. And also we have added this router variable here and with this line we have exported this router variable to the other Vue component so that it can be available for use in other component also. I'm going to compile my code. As you can see here, my code has been compiled successfully, and a Laravel mix notification is also appear at the top right corner. Now I'm going to call my application through the web browser address bar. Here is my Laravel application, and I am going to call this refresh. Sorry friends, here is spelling mistake, and I am going to correct this spelling mistake. Now you can see here my home component gets called. This is the content of my home component, and you can see content here on the browser. So friends, in this way you can create a Laravel application with Laravel and Vue.js. In the next video I am going to create an application with adding some design to this page so that it can look more better. That's all for this part, and in my next video I am going to share you how you can add some designs to this home component and create some more components like contact us, about us. So friends, if you find that this video is helpful for you, then please share, comment, like this video, and subscribe my channel so that I can be motivated to make more videos of this kind.